on here.
No, but I mean the focus must be on us.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Right, cool.
Okay.
And also make sure
We'll check it every now and again.
Yeah. Make the randomize the answers. And then we don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Now we're going to launch out the Kahoot quiz. For those of you who haven't used this before, it's actually quite an exciting quiz platform. There is your game plan. So once you're at Kahoot.it, put in that plan and then see the name of the quiz. And you should see your name come up on the screen. Right, so any of the unicorns who needs help getting to the IT? Everyone ready there? We have 10 players. Okay, 14 players. 16 players.
That's going on us to find out. I don't want to switch to another screen because I want to see how many people so maybe I can join the hangouts.
That's a good idea.
And here,
Just turn your microphone off. 19, 20 players. One players. Cool.
it says you're in, you see, so you know you're in.
Who's still trying to get in?
I'm just checking to see if we've got any others.
Can I try? So, let me tell you how it works. Basically, your question will be on the screen. Okay, so the question is going to be on the screen, and there will be 4 different answers. They'll be on different colored blocks. All that you're going to see on your screen is 4 different colors. And you touch the color that you think corresponds to the right answer. Now, what's interesting is if you get it right, you're going to get some points. But if you get it right quicker than other people, you're going to get more points. So, the fastest fingers get the most points, unless you get it wrong. Okay. Mr. S, I think we're ready to start.
Are we ready? It'll be there. If it says you're in, then you're in.
You are getting
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I control this?
Yes, we can. I can take photos.
Fantastic.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so let's begin. "24 questions. Let's see what happens. This quiz program is called what? You've got 10 seconds. You've got 10 seconds. There we go. So, 2 of them got it wrong. You thought it was Kahoot. It is Kahoot. That was just the warm warm-up, guys. Getting your fingers warmed up. Right. Second warm-up question. Let's go. Oh, yeah. So what happens is at the end of each question, there's going to be a leaderboard to say who was first. Now, who's Brainy? Hashtag Brainy World. There we go. Hashtag Brainy World at the back. Notice it's smiley face, not a world. So, Banner William. There we go.
Very smart.
Blob. Who's Blob? There's Blob at the back. Well done. Who's Zilwins? Okay, there we go. And where's Kwaka? Kwaka at the back there. Well done. Okay. But like I said, that was a warm-up. Okay. Next warm-up question. This maths evening is hosted by someone has an answer. There we go. It is Living Maths. Who was it? Who's calling us Living Maths? Who cares? There's one person. Someone thought you were lying. Okay, so let's check our leaderboard. Rob takes first one. Taylor comes up. Drill. Who's Drill? There's Drill. Annie. There's Annie. Well done. I have no idea. Who's Bond 007? You jumped up in 7 places. That is your highest climber out of all. Well done, guys. Well done. Okay. Now we get to the real question. Question number 3. What is 30 divided by a half? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get to the next one. Right. So, most of you said it was 50, but if you divide something by a half, you see how many halves go into it. And therefore, you're not going to halve it, you are actually going to double it, what you have. So saying divide by half is the same times by I taught you already. There's many more like this, don't be taught again. Right. Our leaderboard say Lydia.
Who's Lydia?
Not mamas. Okay. Top here. Nickname. I'm gonna do that on purpose. Cat 9. Show who you are. No one's Cat 9. There's Cat 9. Okay.
Now hold on, this means
Yes.
the difference between 2, 5, 6, 7, 7, 4, 7, 6. We're talking only a couple of points. Anything could happen the next round.
So whoever's quickest between these two. Right. I started with Emma. Well done. Right. What grows up while growing down? What grows up while growing down? What grows up while growing down? You have 10 seconds to answer. Can any of you explain why? Are you know feathers on the baby goose, so it grows down while it's growing up. Now the scores have got switched, I think.
Let's have a look.
Nickname all the way to the top. Plop plop and cat's knife. Now, Mr. S, I heard escaping remarks. But this isn't maths. Can we explain why this is totally maths?
First of all, a lot of people think they have this misconception that maths is only about numbers. Maths is about problem solving and creative thinking. And I can tell you now that if you take all the top people in the world who are brilliant at maths, I can assure you they are also very good problem solvers. And being a good problem solver means you have to be able to think outside the box. You have to think about words and numbers and letters and codes and how things interact with each other. So this is definitely what I would call mathematics. But it's not the maths that you might think of when you do your classroom.
Right. So, now that we got that settled, this is completely maths. Annie, well done. You're the highest climber, up 7 points. Next question. If 5 monkeys eat 5 bananas in 5 minutes, how many will eat 10 bananas in 10 minutes? And time is up. Right. The reason, can I tell you what the reason is? For those of you who didn't get it, the reason it's 5 is because you started with 5 monkeys and you gave them 5 bananas. In other words, they each had 1 banana, right? And they ate that banana in 5 minutes, which means one monkey eats 1 banana in 5 minutes. Now they're given 10 bananas, but they're also given 10 minutes. So does that mean you have to change the number of monkeys? No, the number of monkeys can stay the same, and they'll eat 2 bananas in 10 minutes. Can I understand that?
Yeah.
Good. If you didn't, your parents will explain later. Right.
Now what's happening to the leaderboard, Mr. B?
The leaderboards. Drum roll, please. There we go. It hasn't changed all that much, except we have a new leader who's Lucas at the back there. Well done. Well done. And give me a nickname. You guys are neck and neck.
So now, you know what? It seems to be the same 3 or 4, but you know, when the questions start getting a little bit area, I think 1 or 2 are going to get it wrong and 1 or 2 are going to get it right. And you're going to start seeing the names start changing around. Who thinks they're going to stay on top? Who's going to stay on top? I promise.
I can feel the competition.
Can you feel the competition?
Right, here we go. Next question. If there are 3 apples and you take the 2 away, how many do you have? Three, 2, 1, and the reason being, if there's 3 apples on the table and you take away 2, how many do you have? You've taken it. Very sneaky. Okay. Next. Limia, you still there? Okay. Looking good. Looking very good. Our next question. What tastes better than it smells? Now you know what happens when you say the answer out loud, don't you? There we go. Okay. So I'm assuming that the two of you who actually have monkey brain have had monkey brain. I'm just going to throw that out there, right? I won't ask who that is. I won't ask. Okay. But let's see what our leaderboards say. Limia, nickname. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. All right. Are we ready? Our next question. You got to concentrate. What has no beginning, end, or middle? Don't say it out loud this time. Don't say it out loud. Stay warm. Is there anyone up there who can explain? What is the what number? Let's hear it.
Oh, but you can also get round donuts too.
They make a fair point. But then which answer is most correct if it's not donut?
I think we also use maths teacher.
That's it.
I've got no beginning, no end, and a very small middle. So you see.
No, but donuts is the correct answer because the round donuts are round, and round circles do not have beginnings or ends, but the donut also has no middle. Right. Let's see what our leaderboards are doing. Where's Cat 9? There's Cat 9. Okay. Cat 9 might actually take it from Limia. Limia, you can't let this happen. Don't let it happen. Right. And our next question starts now. You answer me, yes, I don't ask sorry. You ask me, yes, I don't ask you anything. What am I? Now on with the question. Well done. Well done. All got that. They all got that. I honestly thought someone would maybe say your parents or something, but they didn't get cool. But I warn you, from here on it's going to get slightly more difficult. That was just a warm-up. That was a warm-up round. Now the gloves are coming off, guys. Our leaderboards, let's see if they did anything to our leaderboards. Limia, Cat9, Nickname, you kids. Well done. Okay. Not too difficult.
I must tell you that the difference between Cat 9 and
Not that bad.
Limia. The difference is so tiny that it could be like one right and wrong question. So anything can happen.
Exactly. Here we go. Next question. A pen and pencil cost 10 Rand. The pen costs 9 Rand more than the pencil. So how much is the pencil? Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 50 cents is the right answer. Okay. Now I see some confused looks on those who said the 1 rand. So here's the keyword. Here's our keyword. More, right? Together they cost 10 rand, right? But the pen costs 9 rand more than the pencil. So if you say that the pencil is 1 rand, it means that the pen costs 1 rand. The pen costs 9 rand more, which is 10 rand. And you put 1 and 10 together, it makes 11 rand. If the pencil costs 50 cents, then the pen is 9 rand 50. 9 rand 50 and 50 cents make 10 rand. I told you it wasn't going to stay easy. So,
Very sneaky.
let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
We're going to form the drum roll.
Oh, right, cool, good stuff. And there we go. Here on top, tab 9. Whoa, puke is coming up. Nickname and good beat. Is that right? Okay, good stuff. I'm going to remember that. Right. Now, Smarty Panthers. Let's see if we can get our next question. Question 11. In a circle of children, the 4th child is opposite the 16th child. How many children are there? Ten seconds. Everyone got that. Everyone got that. Now, so that's 20%. That's 20%. Everyone got that one right. So I didn't catch anyone on that. I honestly thought I would catch at least one person on this one. But Jan Rubik obviously have a fantastic math teacher. You are. Yes. Okay. Okay, Blob! Blob is on the leaderboard. Where's our Blobs? At the back there, there's Blob. Okay. Yep. Is there another 7?
This is the 7, so that's the 6, and that's the 8.
Okay, alright. That's fine. Alright. Are we ready? Our next question. Question number 12. Which star is closest to Earth? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's nice. So this is what you say. The reason we call it our solar system is because our sun's Latin name is Sol, and the sun is obviously the closest star to Earth.
So think of the word solar eclipse.
Yes.
Sol, solar.
And that's where it comes from. So if you were careful, you would know Sol is the sun. Interestingly, Alpha Centauri is not a star, it's a star cluster. And in that star cluster, the next closest star is Proxima Centauri, which is about 463 Beetlejuice is quite a few more, but 1,000. I can't remember. That's many like it. So, well done, guys. I'm impressed. Who got that one right? Okay, good science teachers. I'm liking it. Drum roll, please. Okay. Now. That's 9. Who used to be one of the big boys is now coming down again. 7 is number 2. Is up there. You guys still dominating. Good high five. Well done. Okay. Now, question number 13. Will it be a lucky one? Let's check. You have 3 tablets and you need to take one every hour. How long before all 3 tablets are finished? You got 30 seconds. You guys are at the home. Obviously, we have a neurotic parent or someone who doesn't really follow prescriptions very well. And they're like, 3 every hour, I'm going to feel better now. No, not the right answer. The answer was, of course, 2 hours, because if you have 3, you'll take one immediately, and then take another one in 1 hour, and take another one in another hour. That's 2 hours. Who got it right? Who got it right? Super good. You guys are top form. Mr. S, I think we need to up our game here. Yes, we have a yes. I heard 1 yes. 1 is enough, right? Let's do this. Drum roll. Do you want a drum roll? Let's do this. Right. So not much has happened. Lemia is a whole 1,100 points ahead. That's looking really good. But maybe things will change. Maybe your dad's finger won't work anymore. Something like that, huh? Right, let's do this. It takes 2 men 2 minutes to dig 1 hole. How many men will it take to dig half a hole in 1 minute? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. None of these. Now, the question is why? Because there's no such thing as half a hole. It's either a hole or it isn't. Yeah? I knew it. Okay. So this, I am certain, changed the leaderboards from what I see on the screen over here. So let's see. Drum roll, please. Okay. So Zeven. You know you could create the top paragraphs. The competency sentences in one reality. All right. Next question. Lemia, do you see what happens when you're so far ahead? Even if you get one wrong, you still. But now I'll give you that again. Here we go. What are the elusive characters? Missing 2 letters or numbers. I'm giving you a minute for this one. Think carefully. Okay, we're down to 30 seconds. Oh, we're getting close. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and we are down. Now the answer was, of course, CT, and no one got that. Yes, I knew I did. One of you, all of you with this one. Okay, so for those of you who said RA, you're saying it says watermelon. That's not how you spell melon. I didn't make it RE for a very good reason, right? Interestingly, why you thought it was RE because you thought 3 because you thought the 3 was E. That kind of makes sense, right? But you're wrong, of course. Because if you look at the first letter of the question words, W A T E C M T L O N. So C M T. So the answer was, of course, in the question, and that's the only way it makes sense. You all understand? So the leaderboards in this case won't change, so we don't need a drum roll. But if you really want to, if you want a drum roll, go for it. Right. So Lucia, you still in front? Zevin's nickname, Zevin's blog. Right. Next.
How many questions still to go, Mr. B?
Well, we are on question 16. A plane crashes on the border of South Africa and Lesotho. Where do you bury the pilot? Because of course, we got many survivors because they're not dead. Okay. And now, guys. Oh, guys. Oh, very sorry. 60 points to 2, guys.
I can say that if, for example, 2 teams answer the same question correctly, and the one team is 1 second faster, they can score up to 80 points more than the other team. And the first team is only 60 points ahead. So you never know what's going to happen for this next question. Let's see
what happens. Next question, number 15. So there's about 10 questions. No, wait. How many questions left? There's about 9, 7, 8. Right, let's do this. Name this shape. Let's see how good your general knowledge is. You have 20 seconds. Name this shape.
I didn't get this one. No.
Let's see what happens. Right. So that circle is of course an annulus. It's the ring shape. For interest sake, a circle is without the inner circle. A lemniscate, that's the infinity sign, and a valgus is the H sign, the H shape. So that's for interest sake. Now you learned something new, and now you'll never forget. An annulus of the ring.
Are we gonna do a drum roll?
Let's do a drum roll.
What? That means, whoa!
Zevin's also got it wrong. Is that right?
So they got it wrong too. You are lucky.
I want you to see
never know.
300 apart. That's easily taken because you got enough questions. Here, if you want to keep that position, you're gonna have to step it up. Right. Next question. What is the missing number? You got
Which is the missing number? Oh.
There's a pattern there somewhere. Let's see if we can get this one. So the missing number is obviously here by the question mark, right? You got that? So you use the outside number to get the inside number. That's the one inside. All those tense looks of concentration. 5, 4, 3. Most of you got that. If I show you the image. Right. So to get the middle number, you multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers, and then you add those results. So you have 4 times 5 is 20, 6 times 3 is 18, 20 plus 18 is 38. And that's what you do with all these. So this one, obviously, 8 times 4 is 32, 3 times 5 is 15. You add those together and you get 47. Well done. Who got that right? Give yourself a pat on the back. Well done, me. Well done, me. Good stuff. Right, leaderboards. Drum roll, please. 1 hour. Okay.
100 points. 100
You were slightly off. Yo. Okay, you coming up nicely there. Now, obviously, for those of you who aren't featuring on the leaderboard, you can see your own on the screen there. Obviously, you can see your place. So you're actually competing against yourself. So who is in 6th place at this moment? There you go. So you guys are like, oh, very there. You're like right there, right? Okay. So let's see if we can knock someone off. Let's see if we can knock someone off. We've got enough places. Let's do this. Question 19. How many times do you write the digit 9 if you write the numbers between 1 and 100? You got a minute for this one. If I could give a quick explanation, there's an easy way to think about it. First thing, you think of all the 9s at the end of the number. So you have 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, all the way up to 90, right? And there are 10 of those if you don't include, the second of 9 and 99. You have 10. But then, you've got all the 9s in 90. So you've got 90, 91, 92, 93, and there are 10 of those, and 10 plus 10 is 20. So, high five to someone if you got it right. Well done, guys. That was fantastic. Drum rolls, please. And put them up. Okay. One there. Nickname is doing there. Right. Let's see. Well, let's continue until they tell us to stop. Right. If it costs £5 to cut a log in half, how much will it cost to split the log into quarters? Hang on. That's all right. That's all right. That's definitely not right. That's right. I did correct this though because I noticed it was wrong when I played it. So maybe you played a different version. Well, anyway, this happens sometimes. Sorry, guys.
Unless you said
the answer is 15.
So who got that?
Who got 15? Okay. So you guys are technically right. I do apologize for that. I'm sure I corrected it.
That is right.
It's not £5. How's it £5?
You split it without acting. You cut it with something else. Splitting it.
Well, that's just clutching at straws, eh? You know what you can have? You can have a million Zimbabwean points.
Like
a dollar.
You can have the points just because you came up with it. That was great. Okay. But in actual fact, you're going to make 3 incisions into a log, and 3 times 5 is 16. But apologies. Let's see what that did to our leaders. Okay.
Now, Mr. B, because
Okay, so now we got drill coming up from the behind because they actually got the last question wrong. So that was kind of a freebie, guys. Make use of it. Let's see what happens.
it's kind of like, you know, those machines with the hooks?
Yes.
Sometimes you pick out 2 toys when instead of getting one. It just happens sometimes.
Okay, let's go to the next one, Mr. S. Boom! Solve this. I love this one. Try it. Try it.
Yes, it is the right one. So it wasn't very good.
Yeah. No, this is why I was corrected. That's why I this was gonna get
Only 2 got it right.
all right. So now you fight fast. I want you to take notes. Firstly, let's have 2 coconuts here. Secondly, there are 4 bananas, and here there are 3.
Oh, that was sneaky.
You better watch.
That was sneaky. That was sneaky, yeah.
The apples are obviously 10 each. The banana is 4 of them is 4, so each banana is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2, so each coconut is also 1. So it's 1 plus 10 plus 3, which is 14. Who got that one right? Well done. Now let's see.
Are you ready?
The leaderboards. Drum roll, please.
Whoa! Look how close, Mr. B. 7 points.
I see this. I see this.
Anything can happen.
Right. So now,
Anybody can.
because anybody can.
Because anybody can.
Because anybody can do it. Okay, drill. Drill's coming up. Well done, guys. This is the team over here. That line of Glob. Glob, what's happening? We're losing you.
Zevers, where's Zevers? You better watch your back. They are hunting. Hunting.
Okay, how many triangles are there in this picture? You have got 1 minute. There you go. There's one up. Five. Seconds. 10, 9, 5. Now, I can't point them all out to you, but there is a little video of it which I'll show you just now. But they are definitely 24 triangles. I've double checked and triple checked, and I saw the video on it, and there are 24. So well done. Who got that one right? Show me.
Oh my word!
I
think we've had a bit of a change in leadership.
Okay.
Could be. Hold on the question. Yeah. Oh, you just put your hands up.
Okay. He likes putting up his hand. Drum roll, please. Boom. Nice. Yeah.
And we all thought he was extinct, and now he's making a comeback. I love it.
So there are 2 questions left. Let's see what happens. In a 100-meter race of 10 people, what is your position if you overtake the person coming last?
Oh, this is a tough one. See how somebody they take.
10 seconds, you don't have time. You don't have time. 5 seconds, you don't have time. 1. Oh, the reason being, you can't overtake the person coming last because the person coming last would be you then, kind of. There's no one to run to.
It's 100 meters. It's not a run around the track.
Yes, exactly. So, it was none of those. Right. Our final question, just for fun. Just for fun, have we got prizes? Right. Okay. So, I'm just going to say that this last question, all that counts is how fast you answer. Let's do this. At Living Maths evening, you might learn something new, all of these, win a prize, or have fun. They all were. And you all got points, but it was all about speed in that round. So let's see our final leaderboards.
All the 1 second.
Yes. Oh, you want to grab a drum roll for the last time. And boom! We have a winner. Now, Livia, let's look at the bottom. It's Cat 9. Cat 9, take a break. Well done, guys. Well, in 4th place. You guys all need to put all time. Drill in 3rd place. 7. And then in 1st place, Livia. Now we do happen to have a couple of prizes for you.
So who's the first 2 teams? Where's Drill?
Drill is here. And Simmons.
Okay, so the first, so 2nd and 3rd, we've got this for you guys to share, and you guys get to share that.
Right.
And 1st place, we're going to give them each a t-shirt. I'm sure we got their size.
Oh, good stuff. Well done. Right. So now, I want to show you what else you can do when it comes to the end of this. Before you exit your tablets, there is a bit of a feedback thing right here at the end. So Limia, you won 12,995 points. Well done. You got 8 incorrect, 16 right. Very, very well done. Now we're going to go to feedback and results on your tablets. Fill in the responses. What you might think, a rating, how much you learned, if you would recommend it, and how you're feeling. Go and respond.
We'll come back to this. Just want to quickly.